मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल ऑफलाइन इंस्टीट्यूट। सो माय नेम इज करीना और आज की इस क्लास में हम बात करने वाले हैं अनवीलिंग हिडन इनसाइट्स के बारे में 5 फ्री टूल्स टू सीक्रेटली ट्रैक कॉम्पिटिटर एड्स। आज की इस क्लास में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी 5 ऐसे फ्री टूल जिससे आप कॉम्पिटिटर्स के एड्स को ट्रैक कर सकते हो। सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग योर कॉम्पिटिटर्स एडवर्टाइजिंग Understanding your competitors' advertising strategies is vital for gaining a competitive edge in today's market. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है अपने competitor की ad strategy को पहचानना. So this presentation reveals 5 powerful yet free tools that allow you to monitor competitor ads secretly without alerting them. By leveraging these tools, you can uncover valuable insights to optimize your own campaigns and make informed decisions. Whether you are a marketer, business owner, or analyst, these cost-effective methods will help you level the playing field. Join us as we are exploring each tool with the detail. So, tool number 1 is Facebook Ad Library. Facebook Ad Library. Facebook's official ad transparency tool that lets anyone access active ads on Facebook and Instagram platforms. Features: search by brand name, keywords or topics and view detailed and creative targeting information. Run rates with multiple versions. For example, analyze Nike's current running shoe campaign to understand messaging and creative strategies. For example, Nike की ad को आप देख सकते हैं कि उसमें उसकी जो शू कैंपेन है उसमें क्या मैसेज अपलोड किया हुआ है, क्या क्रिएटिव स्ट्रैटेजी उन्होंने अपनाई है. Tool number 2 is Google Ads Transparency Center. Google Ads Transparency Center Scope and Access. Google's free and public platform reveals active ads across YouTube, Google Display Network, and search ads, enhancing cross-channel insights. Its filters allow sorting by location and format and date range for targeted competitors analysis. Use case: identify competitors bidding on similar keywords to refine your own SEO and PPC targeting strategies effectively. Third, tool number 3 is SimilarWeb. वेबसाइट ट्रैफिक एंड एनालिटिक्स से हम पता लगा सकते हैं, एड नेटवर्क डिटेक्शन इससे हो जाता है और एक्शनेबल इंसाइट्स मिल जाते हैं. Offers a wide array of websites, traffic data and keyword research with limited free features for competitor insights. Discover where competitors run ads and view display creative, helping expose affiliate partnership and advertising networks. Uncover untapped advertising channels and partnership opportunities leveraged by your competitors. तो सिमिलर वेब से हम पता लगा सकते हैं गूगल एड्स ट्रांसपेरेंसी सेंटर से और फेसबुक एड लाइब्रेरी से. उसके बाद टूल नंबर 4 है मोड एंड सर्च. Add creative gallery. Search by brand to view a comprehensive collection of display ads and spot design trends. Ad format insight. Ad का क्या format है? Track trending ad formats in your industry to craft more compelling campaigns and industry benchmarks. Compare your ad strategies against competitors to identify opportunities for differentiations and limitations. The free plan offers limited search capabilities but remains valuable for basic intelligence gathering. Tool number 5 is Build With. Tool number 5 is Build With. So I have told you the 5 tools which are totally free and you can use for the ads tracking. Technology lookup. Detect advertising and analytics technologies your competitors deploy on their websites. For example, identify tools such as Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, and various retargeting scripts. Insights: you can gain understanding the competitors' retargeting strategies and platforms driving their conversions. And strategic use will be leverage this information to select effective platforms and tracking setups for your own campaigns. अब हम इनके प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशंस को देखते हैं. कंपटीटर्स की जो एनालिसिस करते हैं उसको प्रैक्टिकल हम कहाँ पर कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. आइडेंटिफाई करना है कंपटीटर्स को. सो लिस्ट की प्लेयर्स इन योर नीश टू फोकस योर ट्रैकिंग एफर्ट्स इफेक्टिवली. Then you have to analyze the ads, evaluate messaging, creative elements and formats used by competitors, to inform your approach. Then target audience research, determine geographic focus and demographic retargeting highlighted in competitors campaign. And number 4 is budget insights, estimate budget allocations by observing ad frequency and platform presence. स्ट्रैटेजिक एडवांटेज क्या होता है? रिफाइनिंग योर ओन कैंपेन्स, इम्प्रूव एड कॉपी एंड विजुअल्स, यूज कंपिटिटर्स इनसाइट्स टू एलिवेट योर मैसेजिंग एंड क्रिएटिव डिजाइंस फॉर ग्रेटर एंगेजमेंट, ऑप्टिमाइज टारगेटिंग, डिस्कवर अंडर रिजर्व्ड सेगमेंट्स एंड टेलर एड्स टू capture untapped audiences more effectively, budget allocations, reallocate spend strategically platforms across all platforms to maximize return on investment ROI and stay ahead of trends. Monitor evolving competitor strategies to adapt quickly and maintain market leadership. Ethical considerations and best practices. Respect privacy. Avoid unauthorized data scraping and only rely on publicly accessible information. Public data usage. Focus on transparency tools designed for ad monitoring rather than invasive techniques. Positive improvements. Use insights to enhance your own marketing efforts, never to sabotage competitors. Compliance. Stay aligned with advertising laws and data regulations to protect your business integrity. And in summary, level up your ad game responsibly. Use these 5 free tools as ongoing resources for monitoring competitor ads without detection. They provide actionable intelligence to continually refine and optimize your campaigns with minimal cost. Maintain ethical boundaries by using only publicly available data and respecting competitors' privacy. So this approach ensures a level playing field and sustainable competitive advantage. Get started today to elevate your advertising strategy and stay ahead of your market with the confidence and integrity. So I hope आपको ये 5 tools clear हो गए होंगे. If you have any doubt in these 5 tools, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely reply as soon as possible. So in this video, that's it. So thank you so much.